आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here we have the question which says let A vector and B vector be two non-parallel unit vectors. So by this statement we are getting that mod of A and mod of B will be same, and going forward we have if alpha A vector plus B vector bisects the internal angle between A vector and B vector, then we have to find the value of alpha. So here it is given that uh, alpha A vector plus B vector bisects the internal angle between A vector and B vector. That means the angle between them will be same because it is bisecting it, and we have mod of A which is equals to mod of B. So what we will have the dot product of these A vector dot alpha A vector plus B vector. I'm writing it down here. A vector dot alpha A vector plus B vector. Okay, dot product of this will be equals to dot product of B vector dot alpha A vector plus B vector. Now let's solve the bracket. What we will have alpha A vector dot A vector plus A vector dot B vector equals to alpha A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot B vector. So here A vector dot A vector will be equals to 1, okay, because they're unit vector, and here we have A vector dot B vector equals to alpha A vector dot B vector. Again here B vector dot B vector will be equals to 1 because these are unit vectors. So now taking this in the LHS, what we will have? We will have alpha plus A vector dot B vector minus of alpha A vector dot B vector and minus 1 equals to 0. So now what we will have? We have this alpha and this minus 1, alpha minus 1, and from here taking A dot B vector common, what we will have? We will have alpha minus 1 A vector dot B vector equals to 0. Now moving forward, if we take alpha minus 1 to common, we will remain with 1 plus A vector dot B vector equals to 0. So this means either alpha minus 1 will be equals to 0, or 1 plus A vector dot B vector will be 0. Now here we know that A vector dot B vector is equals to mod of A into mod of B cos theta. Okay, so here we have mod of A which is 1, mod of B which is 1 because they're unit vectors, and here we have cos theta. So we have cos theta. Now the value of cos theta lie between 0 to pi, but in this question we are given that it is a two non-parallel unit vectors. So the value of this cos theta will not be equals to 0. So this can't be equals to 0. So here we have alpha minus 1 equals to 0. So here we have value of alpha which is 1. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।